Effective medical training builds the skills and confidence needed to save lives. Prepare your students with the Techline Wounds in a Box series. These task trainers deliver compact, cost-effective solutions for hands-on skills training. Built for portability and durability, Wounds in a Box are ready for medical procedure demonstrations or individual classroom practice. Introducing the IV in a Box, a portable task trainer designed for IV insertion training. Train IV insertion with realistic, immediate feedback. Simulated blood provides a visible flash confirming successful placement. Designed for repeated use, the trainer supports high-volume skills training. Install the simulated vein tubing. Secure with clamps and fill with simulated blood. To clean the IV in a box, remove the trainer from the case and rinse with warm water or dish soap if needed. Allow it to dry completely before returning to storage. Train more, bleed less. Find the IV in a Box and other Techline Trauma task trainers at narescue.com. Follow us on social media or sign up for emails to join the mission.